Among the many areas of zakat distribution, medical assistance from the poor and needy category, which is provided to those registered as poor and needy, as well as to individuals who are undergoing financial hardships due to serious medical conditions, has always been a crucial form of support. And at Maldives Zakat House, this remains one of our highest priorities. This assistance extends to patients battling life-threatening conditions including bone marrow transplantation, cancer, lung diseases, heart diseases, kidney diseases, brain diseases, and other medical conditions. This also covers children with special needs and those suffering from rare medical conditions that require continuous care. This assistance is provided not only for hospital bills, but also for food and accommodation, whether treatment takes place locally or abroad. Since the establishment of Maldives Zakat House on the 18th of December 2023, we have strengthened this effort with a more structured and transparent approach. Within this short period, medical assistance has been provided to 2,180 individuals. The total spent on medical assistance during this period amounts to 30,890,293 rupiah 64 lari. Out of this, a remarkable 10 million rupiah was allocated for bone marrow transplantation of underprivileged thalassemia patients, a life-saving treatment that brings hope to many Maldivian families. For other categories of illnesses during this time, the approved allocations were 6,455,116 rupiah 49 lari for cancer treatment, 296,967 rupiah for lung diseases, 910,853 rupiah 64 lari for heart diseases, 956,251 rupiah for kidney diseases, 2,230,399 rupiah 67 lari for brain diseases, 5,538,751 rupiah 11 lari for transplants, 11,154,400 rupiah 92 lari for other medical conditions. Looking ahead, we are also in the initial stages of developing a full coverage medical support package for those registered in the Poor and Needy Registry. This step aims to provide more sustainable and long-term relief, ensuring that vulnerable families have continued access to essential health care.